Hey guys, now we start with our new method that is decimal, which is a string Boolean method again. Now, what does the Python is decimal does? It's check whether the string consists of only decimals, yeah, 0 to 9 or not. This method is applicable only on Unicode objects, yeah. Now, when I've been talking about Unicode a lot in my previous videos as well. Now, what is Unicode object? In Python, Unicode strings or Unicode objects handle the complete range of Unicode characters while using the memory efficiently. Now, this Unicode strings are either 16-bit or 32-bit integers. You can refer to my video on the Unicode hexadecimal code or octal codes in my previous videos as well. Yeah. So this Unicode strings are either 16-bit or 32-bit integers depending on the type of compiler or interpreter used. Now, they also have the same method as the normal Python strings. Yeah. Now, note, you need to be very careful that defining a particular string as Unicode, you need to simply prefix a U or a character U to the opening quotation mark of the assignment. Yeah. So let's see some examples. Uh, uh, let's see some example. Yes. But before that, let's see the syntax. So the syntax to check whether a particular string is has decimals or not is by first inputting the string, that is the string that you want to evaluate. Then the for method is decimal and the parenthesis. Yeah. Let's get into an example. Suppose I have a string. Now, one thing that you need to note is the method returns true if all characters in the string are decimal, false otherwise. However, there are some special cases. If the decimal are present in superscript or subscript, the method returns false. If the argument given is either Roman numerals or currency numerals, the method returns false. Yes. So you need to remember this. This is what you need to remember as a note. Yes. So if the decimals are present in superscript or subscript, the method returns false. If the argument given is either Roman numerals or currency numerals, the method again returns false. Yes, let's see some examples. So we'll try to understand some of the concepts by getting into an example. So first of all, you need to understand is you need to add U before the string start so that it is considered as Unicode. So if I have to add 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, yeah, any Unicode that I'm using, and I say print and check whether it is string is decimal, has decimals or not. Let's see what is the output. So in this example, we can see the string containing decimal characters, which is in the form of Unicode. Hence, it is giving us the output as true. Yes. Now, since we have all the decimals in the previous example, it returned true. But suppose you have characters. So suppose this particular above input has characters as well. So string with decimals and string with decimals and characters. Yes. So I'll add some character to this. I'll just add eyes, can, and yeah. Let's see whether it takes the string as a decimal. No, the output is false, as we can see that it has characters. It does not have only decimals. Yeah. Now let's understand whether we have, if we have decimals in either superscript or subscript, which you mentioned in the note. Yeah. So let's try to see the same example with a superscript by putting /u. Yeah. In the form of Unicode. So here we are. Okay, I've not copied this. I'll just copy this once again. Yes, I put a /u. Yes. And we have the string. So if we have string with decimal in superscript. Yeah. So in the form of Unicode points, we have added a superscript. Here, let's see the output, what happens. It should ideally return false. See this? So if we have the Unicode in terms of superscript or subscript, it will return the decimal, wherein here the decimal was returned as true. Yeah. Now again, if the string has either Roman numbers or currency numbers, the method return false. Now, suppose I have this example. So I have this Roman numbers as my super, that is 216, 23434. Yeah. So this is decimal for Roman numbers, Unicode point of Roman number. Let's see what it gives. See this? See this? It is Roman number. Yeah. Since I have passed on the Roman number here, it is giving me false since I have a superscript. Yeah. So this is how you can use isdecimal. We usually do not use it at any point of time. I ideally have not used it at any point of my programming career, but uh, just for your information, you need to know what all things are doable, not doable through the formulas or the methods that are available for strings. Hence, I took it. There's a simple thing where you want to create. Find out whether your string has decimals or not. Yeah. Hope you like this video. Do like, share, and comment with your views on this video. If you want to input any more information, which it could be beneficial for others as well, because this is free videos and this behind this is an aim to make people aware of Python and spread it to more people. Yeah. Do subscribe to my channel to get such more videos automatically to your inbox. Thank you so much.